Guys, and welcome back to some more Wii Party U. Last time we did some Bulldozer, and this time we're gonna do some team building. Whatever. Build perfect soccer team of me players in team building. Put together the best combination of colors and numbers to create the best team possible. Yes! We will be playing One Peep versus Mario, Pedro, and Bowen. Pedro? Huh. Funny with Pietro. I would have been happy if that happened. Pietro. Okay. Welcome to team building. Do you want to hear the rules? No, I do not. I can explain it. Alright. Oh, I got no position. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I'm seeing stars. And me, with star on its uniform, can represent any number and any color. How fancy. Shade it. Okay, so we do a mini game every turn. Who gets to go first and pick the Miis that they want? Now, this is probably one of the boring, not the best type of one. It's okay, but it's not really my favorite. Okay, let's look for the hearts. Okay, where the heck are they? Now I just can't find them. I'm doing really bad. I was doing, where the heck are they? This is really hard. I'm really bad at this, I'm really bad. I got most of them. Okay, so that wasn't a very hard mini game. Pretty straightforward. Heart targets. It's a nice name. Alright. So now it sets us up in order, so I'm going first. So you want to either set them up in color, or you want to set them up in numbers. Now, I want this guy. And another number 8. I think that's a pretty good team. Now let's see what happens. Haribia! I have done it! See that, guys? That's how you win. So yeah, it will keep doing different sets every single time to create new teams. So pretty much, this guy only got a team of 2, which is only going to be 1 point. We did the best because we got a really good team. So yeah, it goes down by 1 each turn. And it's kind of harder for other people. So did he get... Oh, we did. Well, I don't know. It looks like everybody might get one. If you do not see, the leader of Wenopop is in a pink shirt right now, hanging out number 4. Whoa, cereal team. Whoa, I have no idea what the heck they are doing, but that is cool. And Weston's, well, I'm still winning this because I did probably better in that round. Okay. So this should be a pretty quick one. I'm still going to break it into 2 parts, like always. Because some of these things might take a little long. Okay, this is like almost totally luck-based. We got this. We got it. Alright. So I like to be pretty risky, if you know what I mean. Risky has won me the game. As Risky won once again. Risky! Man, these guys are really not that smart. Risky 3 times! Why am I getting so lucky? Really risky. Being really risky has won me the game! Well, being risky. Which one do you guys think I did? Whoa, is that, Danny? Oh my. Wow. I guess they deserved some points and they were trying to get that crown. Pretty badly. But, yeah. Being risky can win you the game, guys. Okay, Mad Hatters. Okay, Gary gets to pick first. So, I'm gonna do 3 rounds, just like the bulldozer. So, so yeah, yeah, that's nice. Okay. I'll be back in a sec. Sorry about that, guys. Just had to do something really quick. Oh, so you got a double duo? I guess I didn't do as good this time, but I got a 4. Which is pretty cool, actually. Okay, so Maria did pretty good last time. Being the last person, though, she might not do as good. She could have got... Whoa! How does she keep doing that? Why does she keep doing that same exact thing? Team of 4... Whoa! Team of 4 gives me 10 points. That's really good. I'm doing pretty good. Okay, round 3. Let's see who can win this. Okay. So, memorize the details on the card that zoom by and choose the correct design. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's see here. That's me. Okay, that's interesting. I wasn't paying attention there. Will anybody be me right? Yes. I'm the winner. How many rounds are there in this one? Okay, final round. So this shouldn't be too hard. Okay, 1 stripe and I couldn't tell there. Oh, I was right. So that one wasn't really that hard. You just kind of had to go with the flow. You know what I mean? I think I see some of my friends in the stands watching the race. Okay, so those 2 tied because they got no points. He rolled a 6. Nice. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Okay, so I really don't have many matches. Even 8. 6. 12. I'm gonna try something. It's probably only gonna be a team of 2, but I'm gonna try this. Yeah, only team of 2. I couldn't do anything about that. Because I don't want to lose my winning streak right now. Because we still got a couple rounds and I'm only at 17 points. I'm pretty sure it's been in the same exact order. At least I have, because I've always been first. Yeah, there's Weston. Will he take Weston? Oh, he is? Oh, oh, I get why they get that. I think I did this wrong. Some people are pretty good at this, so... Whoa, that's pretty funny, actually. That was pretty good. I only got 1 point for the team, too, but that should do pretty good for me. Okay. Let's push OK. Okay, guys. So in the next episode, we'll be finishing up the team game, whatever, soccer team game. And we'll be doing, for the mini game, balanced diet. See you guys then.